1, 2, prep, around the world on 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, Houdini escape. 1, 2, cross body. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Breakdown, basic, 1, 2, lift up. On 5, twist the leg towards your right. Guys, prepare towards your right. 5, swivel. 5, 6, and 7. Hands behind. Left hand down on the side step for the boys. 1, 2, 3. Now, guys, to keep the Houdini escape from unhoudiniing, make sure you bring your wrist towards your left armpit. This will allow you to come out of this little Hindu shuffle. Cross body lead with a turn. Try to keep a 90-degree angle with your hands. Then a basic, release the right, touch the shoulder blade. Progressional turns and stop with the elbow. Throw around on 1, 2, 3. Give the leg a double turn. And then over la cabeza with the other hand. And voila.